Today I'll show you how to get from here to here, ribs from start to finish. First we're going to take off the silver skin on the back of the rack of ribs. The best method is to take the back of a spoon or butter knife and glide it under the membrane as I'm doing here. Next, take a paper towel and hopefully you can tear it all off in one piece. I got close. Next we're going to season the ribs. I used Hardcore Carnivore Red and Hardcore Carnivore Amplify. Again, not sponsored, but it tastes pretty good. Make sure to pat it down in between different spices. It tacked up pretty well without a binder. We're going to vacuum seal the ribs so we can get them ready for sous vide. That's right. This next step is optional, but I double vacuum sealed the ribs just to be safe. We're going to be sous viding them for 48 hours, so I want it to be extra safe. Now we're going to fill up our container with water. We've all seen this part before. Still fun to watch using time-lapse though. So we're going to set up the circulator to cook at 141.8 degrees for 48 hours. "48 hours later, I'm going to detach the sous vide circulator, take the ribs out of the container, then we're going to empty out the juices here. It's best to save it for a sauce, but I didn't. Always remember when unwrapping the ribs, you want to make sure you get a nice dry surface. Wow, these are very tender, be careful. Would you look at that? This last one here is about to fall off the bone. Now I'm going to add some barbecue sauce here before we throw it on the smoker. A little bit more barbecue sauce. Now it's time to get the grill ready. I got this new accessory, the blazaball. It's supposed to make lighting the grill easier. The way it works is you take these two halves, you put your fire starter in the middle, close it back up, got it, just like that. Then you can put it at the bottom of your charcoal, get the fire starter lit, and then you can put charcoal right on top of it without worrying about the fire going out. I'm going to add some cherry wood under the charcoal. And hey, check it out, the fire is still burning underneath the charcoal thanks to the blazaball. Not sponsored. And here's the final product. So we sous vided the ribs for about 48 hours. We put them on the smoker for 3 more hours. Now let's see what they look like inside. Wow, super soft. What do they look like inside? Are they juicy? I guess that's a yes. And now, here comes my favorite part of these videos. That's right, I get to eat this. Just kidding, it wasn't crunchy, that's a sound effect. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more videos like this one. If there's anything you want to see in a future video, please let me know in the comments below. I'll also make sure to put links to everything I used in the description to make it easier in case you're interested. Thanks again.